Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today's Support Local Businesses series is something different. We are going to feature something that is very unique to Singapore and Malaysia. A kind of snack that we will always eat during Chinese New Year. It is called Bakkwa, and I'm sure many of you who have visited Singapore would have already known how it looks like. It's actually pork jerky. I've researched a little bit and then I found out that actually the original pork jerky recipe came from China. What the people did is they modified the recipe. Instead of air drying the jerky, right, they grill it over charcoal. So it becomes char-grilled, and then they modify the recipe to make it slightly sweeter. Yeah, so that's how the pork jerky came to be modified and become more suited to our local taste.
In Singapore, Malaysia, Taiwan, and even Thailand, they also have pork jerky, but it also tastes different and looks different.
Yeah, and I'm sure in the West, you all also have the jerky as well. That is slightly tougher because I think most of it is air dried, right?
Correct.
So that's why it's slightly tougher.
But this one is like very chewy, it's very soft.
Yeah. A few days ago, I came across this local company that serves the pork jerky in various forms. So what Jim is holding over here is a chiffon cake, okay, but it's actually the Bakkwa flavor, which is the pork jerky flavor.
I think they like mince it and then bake it together as a cake.
So it looks really interesting. And then this is the original barbecue pork slice. It has been made to be small, bite size,
and also vacuum
packed. So convenient for tourists to actually bring it back.
Or also you can just like have a small bite because usually it come with like this size very big. And then it's like it will be easily you won't stop like 4 or 5 slices. And with this one you can control yourself a little bit.
And then you can carry it along when you're outside. If you're hungry, you can just pop one slice or two in to actually help to make yourself full a little. And over here is a bun. Instead of char siu, which is the normal barbecue pork, right, they actually put the barbecue pork slices, the char-grilled barbecue pork slices into the bun as the filling. Yes, this package came together. Actually, I bought 2 boxes of this, and this one and this one. It totals up to be $30 exactly.
It's quite affordable.
30 Singapore dollars, and with 30 Singapore dollars, I actually get free delivery. Yes, so with that, right, they attach a thank you card, and with this thank you card, right, we are able to enjoy 15% discount, 15, on our next purchase. So we thought that is actually quite affordable. Yes.
And then it looks like this for the vacuum pack.
Yes.
You can soak in the hot water to heat up, or you can just eat it like that. And at the back it also mentioned that you can microwave it to make it taste softer.
For 5 to 7 seconds, and if you soak it in hot water, it's about 3 to 5 minutes.
Shall we try the without the heat up first?
Sure. And then just to let y'all know, the company name is called Hup Chong. So this is the package. Nice.
Very nice. It tastes like Penang style.
Oh really? Because I've seen online, people are actually saying that this company is not bad. So yeah.
And in Penang, they actually have a steamed bun, and then to have the bakkwa inside. It's not like the Singapore style, right? It's more like Malaysian style.
And I think one good thing is it's not too charred with all the burnt edges, right? This one is also sweeter, and it tastes like it's nicely spiced up. So when you bite into it, it's actually quite enjoyable.
It's nice. This is more like Malaysian version. In Malaysia, there's the East and West. So in Sarawak, they have a very, very tough and dry as well.
Okay.
I like it. I like it.
Yay!
It made my day better. I have a tough day today. It's very
That's
tired.
why it's like energy level very low.
Mm.
Okay, maybe what we can do next is we steam the bun
Mm-hmm.
and then we will let you know how it tastes like.
I have just steamed up everything. Is that hot? 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 Yeah.
Wow!
So let's try the Bakkwa first.
Yeah, we are going to try to see how different it tastes after it's being warmed up.
Ah,
Yeah, I have difficulty peeling
because it's
off
watery,
also.
it's wet.
Yeah,
Okay, I got it. Come, there you go.
thank you. Ah, smells really good.
Can you pass me the
scissors?
The machine is not doing a good job.
Yeah.
It's softer, right?
Oh, yeah.
It actually tastes better after you heat up.
Yeah. Very flavorful.
Softer. And then if you don't heat up, and then you actually can see some of the fat actually turn like a buttery.
It's a bit like gelatin, right?
yeah.
It becomes a bit gooey.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But it's very nice. I like it.
Yeah. You can actually put it onto a baguette.
No, we can put it on the salad. Then you don't need to put any dressing.
And you can cook pasta with it.
Oh yes. We might going to a restaurant. It's selling all kind of dish with bakwa. It's from one of the famous bakwa shop in Singapore. It smells nice.
Okay,
And it's filled with all bakwa.
this is the pau. How is it?
It's more savory. It's not sweet.
And this one has got more ingredients, right?
I
Something different.
Yeah, it means up the bakwa. And then I believe that one of this pau should have maybe 2.5 packets of this.
Oh yeah.
You can see the amount is like slightly more, right?
And it's actually quite affordable because one box of 6, right, is $5.40. And it's freshly made, right? It's not frozen. Once delivered, right, you just have to pop it into the fridge. Don't have to put it in the freezer. Yeah.
Actually, bakwa in Singapore is quite expensive.
Especially
During the Chinese New Year period, the price can go up like $30 per kilo.
Yeah, and this 165 gram is less than $10.
Wow.
Yeah.
Oh, the bakwa here have sesame. So it have a different texture. I think you buy the steam bun is more right? More value for money.
Yeah.
Oh,
Careful.
I beat myself.
I beat myself yesterday. Hitty. So the sesame actually helps to create another additional layer of texture.
It's quite fun when you bite into the sesame. It's like you're eating the mentaiko. You can feel the crunch, crack. This will be my dinner for tonight.
It's nice. Oh.
It's a strong flavor dish. Oh, can you pass me the shochu? Let me try with the shochu. The leftover shochu.
Okay, should I take a glass?
Okay.
And instead of the normal char siu, right, I think this one tastes quite different. More tasty, I would say. And it's not too sweet also, because sometimes char siu tend to be sweet. Good. Okay, so apparently it goes well with Japanese shochu.
It's very nice. No, you have to take a bun first.
No.
And then you have the ingredient in your mouth, and then it tastes very well matched.
Yeah.
And it takes less than 10 minutes to actually
Steam it, right?
Yeah.
It's a very convenient snack. You can just order, pop it into the fridge. It takes about 3 days for them to fulfill the orders. And then they will deliver it right to your doorstep.
I would suggest to order this steamed pau for high tea.
Yeah.
If you have a high tea tray, and then you can make a Chinese style high tea, and then this is a very good point. And I believe that a lot of people will love it because it's very flavorful.
You can have like the siu mai.
And then
and then maybe you can have the chiffon cake. So they have chiffon cake of 4 different flavours. Besides the Bakkwa, there's pandan. There's also sweet potato.
Oh, Gula Melaka!
Gula Melaka.
Why I didn't order that?
Because I wanted to showcase everything
All
that's
the Bakkwa.
When this gets published, right, then we see what's the response like, and then we can try more.
It's nice.
Mm.
Have your last Bakkwa bun.
You can have it.
Okay.
But I think the major draw factor is
Free
the
delivery.
delivery.
It's very worth it.
Yeah.
Because for all this, it will be last for 2 meals.
And I think after we have tasted the BBQ pork and the pau, so far we are enjoying it.
Can you see the ingredients? So the ingredient mentioned over here is pork, sugar, fish sauce.
They emphasize that there's no added artificial colorings, preservatives, and MSG.
Oh. And how long can it keep for?
Almost a year.
So
because it expires in 2021.
So you can stock up for Chinese New Year with
Yeah.
this one.
Yeah, you can stock up, and then if any of our friends are visiting very soon, you can actually just take this back and share a piece of Singapore with the rest of your friends back in your country. I think it's a good souvenir as well.
Yeah, because at Singapore, it's always very headache to us. What can we buy to overseas friend from Singapore?
Yeah. And then to make it into such a convenient bite-sized package that is vacuum packed, I think it's very clever and very convenient.
It's safer to bring overseas as well because it's vacuum packed.
Yeah, you won't have the smell in your luggage. Yeah.
But do not bring it to Brunei and Taiwan.
Oh yeah. Okay, we are down to our last item. Is the chiffon cake.
So it's 100% natural ingredients and handmade in Singapore.
Yes, so all the things that we have featured is all handmade in Singapore from their factory, and then they emphasize once again that there's no preservatives, no added colorings and flavorings, and no baking powder.
And you have to finish it within 3 days.
It looks very dense.
Yeah, I got this knife from IKEA. It's super sharp. That day I did the Roger video, I just slightly moved over to this knife and I got a deep cut.
Yeah, he got grazed by the knife, the skin.
I'm the person I don't like chiffon cake because usually the chiffon cake will be in pandan flavour.
But this one is very innovative. They decided to add barbecue pork into it. What do you think?
I will give it a pass. I mean, I'm not impressive. It is not impressive to me. I think the Bakkwa is not enough. And the egg flavour is quite strong. It's very eggy, and then it's nothing special.
I think that it's just a normal chiffon cake, and then you can buy a normal chiffon cake and then you pair with this.
Yeah,
you'll get the same flavor.
I was like, expect that it will be something
savory.
Yeah, but it's sweet, and then at the same time you have some Bakkwa. It's not a very good match, but I believe that if Gula Melaka chiffon, it should be a very good cake.
Or sweet potato. We should try that next time.
It is not bad.
The idea of saying that it's a Bakkwa chiffon cake is like, people will be like,
But I have high expectation with it.
Yeah.
It is a taste that's not what I expect.
Yeah, same here. Like Jim, I have this high expectation of
Bakkwa cake.
Bakkwa cake, yeah.
Yeah.
It's like how it tastes like. I'm so looking forward to it actually. But then
I think maybe you need to put more sesame inside.
Oh yeah, then it will enhance the
Correct. So you hear me, what company is that?
Hup Chong. Maybe the other flavours will taste better. The chiffon cake itself, in terms of the texture, is quite well baked.
Yes, it is.
It's very substantial. It's not like a lot of air inside the chiffon cake. It can be a high tea snack as well, I think.
For me, I strongly recommend the steamed bun, the pau. It's very flavorful and it's very affordable. For the price that I think I'm very happy with it.
And if you are thinking of what to buy for your overseas friend, then I think the vacuum packed barbecue pot would be a good idea. Bakkwa is something that is very
unique
to Singapore and Malaysia. Yeah. So I think with that we have come to the end of today's vlog. 3 different items. Besides this, they also have like sauce, like laksa sauce, curry sauce.
Yes. And then it's very affordable price and in different size and the packaging.
So we'll leave the details in the description below our vlog. And we thank you very much for watching this very short and sweet video, and we will see you in our next vlog.
Bye bye.